everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about pre-enrollment. There are generally everybody knows how to fill forms, but I will still at the end add a short screen recording about how to exactly do that. But there are three things that you need to be careful. First, you get admission, and then after you have gotten admission, before you apply for the visa, you are supposed to fill your pre-enrollment summary application, and then the university where you have gotten admission sends your summary and your information to the consulate or embassy where you will apply your visa. So that's basically the process. Things that you need to be careful about is, number one, you have to choose exactly the right program. Every program has a code. You have to choose the university and the program, and also make sure that you are choosing the right language. If your program, most probably it will be in English, so you have to make sure that it is in English. Sometimes students make mistakes and then it's a huge problem. So that's one thing you need to be careful about. Second thing is that some universities, like Sapienza University, like probably Padua, I'm not sure, but yes, there are some universities that actually require you to submit some documents before they give you the summary. So if you apply for the summary at Universitali portal and then you are waiting, but you don't even know that university requires you to submit CMIA before they give you a summary, then that can be a problem. So next thing is that before you apply for a pre-enrollment summary, you need to email or contact your program coordinator at your university and confirm what documents you need to get summary. That's second thing. Another thing that you need to be careful about is that uh, make sure that you have calculated the time, because if, for example, your university requires CMIA, and CMIA is going to take a lot of time. Even I know some students who applied like for urgent process, it's been 15 days and they still have not received their documents. Sometimes this can happen even if you pay more. So the thing is that you have to be very careful, because you need to apply for visa, you need to get the visa. That's 45 days of visa application process until you actually get your passport. And by that date you have to fly to Italy, and you have to do enrollment by a certain deadline. It's probably in November, but still sometimes things keep taking more time than usual, and you can end up missing your deadline. And if you miss your enrollment deadline, your admission is basically useless. So good luck. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. In order to fill your pre-enrollment application, go to universitali.it portal and translate, maybe click on why and how to register. Join now. You will see a form where you will have to input all of your basic details, your name, surname, address, phone number, email, and etc. etc. Once you have filled all your basic information, you will see that you can automatically generate your fiscal code. Fiscal code is basically Italian tax code, like a CNIC number in Pakistan or Aadhaar card number in India. Then you will write an email address, which you can right here I'm going to write just a dummy email, but I will also show you how to verify and change the password later. So just write an email, select your ID kind. It should be passport issued by government of Pakistan. In my case, you can write according to your country. This is just passport information, and then your home residence, your current residence in your own country. I will just quickly show you. No need to waste time on this. Once you have written down everything, just click on save. This is just your basic information. After that, you will go to the email that you gave and click on the verification email. In the email, you will find a link, also the password and your email that you registered with. You have to click on the link and also copy that password. And basically sign in on that link. Once you sign in, you will see an option to create a new password. We'll just quickly create a new password, and here. After you have done all those things, you will see this page. Here you can just click on pre-enrollment application. But before that, you can also go on click on your personal details to check if whatever you inputted before is correct. You can change this. This is the final step where you can change it. Once you're done and you are confirmed that your information is correct, you can just go and click on pre-enrollment application. Go ahead and click on Nuova Domanda or translate it, and you can see it in English, new pre-registration application in the green corner right here. First, you will select your academic year. Confirm all your details and go to step B. In the step B, you will upload your passport and your passport size picture. Once you have done that, just select where you will apply for your visa and the reason of your application. Reason should be I want to enroll in a study course, because you want to enroll in a study course, of course. Then you will select here uh, your university. First, it is a university and not an institute. Make sure that. Another thing, select the name of your university and select what kind of program it is. Is it a Laurea Magistrale, which is master's program, or something else? You can go to your program website and confirm this. Next, you will select the name of your course. Now, if you have a look at this, if I choose this program, you can see that it's available only in Italian. Both the course curriculums are in Italian. So make sure that sometimes with the same name, there are two different programs. You don't end up choosing the wrong one. For example, if I choose this program, there are no more options for course curriculum, even though there used to be when I applied for admission in this course. Let's select another one to make sure. Okay, like this one also in Italian. Another one maybe, okay. This is only in English. That's why probably you don't see an option of Italian or English. If you, maybe we will choose economics. Okay. In economics, you will see you have two options. Both are in EN. EN means English. You can choose one of the course curriculums that you want. You can change this later, obviously, but I recommend that you choose a correct one. Select one of the course curriculums that you intend to study or specialize in. You can design your study plan accordingly. Go to step C. At this step, you basically have to upload all the documentation. By all the documentation, I mean all the documentation that includes your resume, your degree, your transcript, and also the admission letter that you received. I'm going to just show you, I'm just going to upload basically a dummy PDF. But you have to just here you can choose the name of the document you're uploading. You can upload CMIA, you can upload DOV. Basically all the documents you already have, you must upload here. I'm just going to maybe select a transcript for now. Okay. Also, if you can see, there are so many options you can upload the documents, because this information will be circulated on the central system of University, which can be accessed by your university. University.it will basically send this details to your university and also to the embassy or consulate you want to apply in. Once you have uploaded all the documents, you can see that there is also an option of others in the document name sections. If you click here and go at the bottom, you will see an option of other. If you don't see a name of a document but you still want to upload it, you can do that by choosing other. One of the documents that you should upload with the other as its title is your admission letter. Okay, that's it. I think then you will click on summary. After you click on summary, you will basically confirm all the details you have inputted and click check and apply for pre-enrollment. This is it. Once you do that, your information will be sent to the university, and I'm not going to finish this step because this is just dummy information and I don't want to bother everybody. Okay, these are the conditions. You can read them if you want. That's it. Apply, and you will see written after the application is done that your information has been sent to XYZ University. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe so I can keep creating this content. Also, if you have any other questions, feel free to comment or write me in the email at memunashah78@gmail.com.